How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to add polls to your Instagram story, and you can actually follow along right here. So first we're going to start by adding a story like you normally do by clicking your story on the upper left. Once we click that, then you have to take a picture or story or whatever you want. There. Now we're going to access our stickers by just swiping up, and once we swipe up we see the poll option. So we click that. We can write whatever question you want. We'll write, did you like this video? And if you click the fields, you can write yes or no or whatever you want. If you want a poll of, if what team is going to win a basketball game, you can just add the team names there if you want, but we'll just do yes and no. Just wanted you to know that you can make it whatever you want. You can drag it around, tilt it, make it bigger, whatever. And then you can add it to your story by pressing on the bottom left, the Your Story button. And now it's in my stories. We can click Your Story, and we can see that it was live, and we can press yes here, because we like this video. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any more suggestions of things you want to learn, just leave a comment below.